All right, heading off to the next tree job, which is a dead conifer, just dead. Big one, not, you know, Pacific Northwest big, but big for here. I just hit our trash can. And the job is just like not even a quarter mile from our place. Close by, it's a neighbor, Bob, nice guy. And I'm guessing he's gonna have a little bit of input about how I take this tree out. It's gonna be one of 3 options. Number 1, just drop it. It's got kind of a nice yard though, so I don't think we're gonna do that. But anyway, option 1, just drop it. Drop it in place, clean it up, be done. Option 2, climb it, go up it, drop everything, haul it off. Option number 3, go up it, speed line everything out of the way so that it doesn't fall in place, because under the tree is some nice plants and stuff. So anyway, I'm almost at his place, so we'll have to see how it goes. But I gotta mention that I have the secret weapon on this job. I will undoubtedly have to bust out the Poulan Pro. All right, there's the tree, and here is the gear loadout. Looks like a mess, but I'll walk you through it. Got a couple of lanyards. Got my Rope Runner Pro, used that a few times, kind of like it. Helmet, camera, gloves, a big saw, secret weapon saw, small saw, wedges, got a pick rune and an axe, got my harness, got some fuel and oil, got my 1812 spurs, safety line. That's about it. Perfect, yeah.
Yeah, I don't mind. This is it. It's supposed to be 80, but...
Pardon?
It's supposed to be 80, but it doesn't really. It's coming up around it right now. The base.
Yeah.
So it's eventually going to go.
Not a great...
Exactly like that.
Oh yeah.
Those are for climbing.
The top handle, yeah. Yeah, it's just easier to climb with. You can climb with the other ones, but...
Yeah, they're hard.
Yep.
Well, I'll leave you be.
Okay. I'll catch you later. And I just recently made this lanyard. It's got a scaffold knot over here and a press leg over here and a pulley, and I like it. Seems pretty good. All right, so just working my way up. You can see the limbs kind of spread out like a flower. I was gonna try to keep them over here, but they're a little bit bigger than I thought. Just gotta keep going up, and then I'll bring the green beast around on the driveway and I can load it up right there. I'll probably do 2 loads, one with branches, then the other one with logs. All right, getting closer to the top. I'll probably do another round and then drop it and toss it. I could toss it here, but he just doesn't want to get branches in the yard, so I'll take it slow. Now, decisions. The wood's still good, but I mean, I've got like 8 feet up here, so maybe I'll do one more round and then I'll take it off. I mean, I guess the thing is you can always tell yourself you can go a little higher, but you don't want to get unnecessarily high on the tree. Although this one's nice and solid. Despite the branches that break off in your bare hands. Despite that. All right, one more round. Yes? Where am I going with it? Am I going right here? No, I'm going over here. I'm going over here. Got a little woodpecker action. Oh yeah, a little woodpecker. Alright, I kind of notched it, so it was going to fall there, so I just kind of pushed it, but anyway, it's down. Now we just got a chunk and chunk. I don't know if you can see this, but it's got some good wiggle to it. Pretty good wiggle. I've got all those boughs down there, so I can do fairly big chunks and drop them on there. kind of the sad moment with the tree removal when you realize that you're almost done and you just started. This one's kind of quick. I'd rather be up there for another hour. There we go. Nice flat landing for that one. And I know what you're asking yourselves. When is the secret weapon going to be necessary on this tree? Soon. Soon, I tell you. All right, step one complete. We got the branches down and we've got, 15 feet right there. That's gonna come down third. Second is gonna be clearing all this stuff up. So there's plenty of room to work in there and drop it. Middle of the day, I just went and got some lunch. You gotta get lunch sometimes. You can't just work all day. I think it might be time for the secret weapon. Alright, thanks for checking out this tree removal job. I've said it before, but I think it bears repeating that this is not necessarily a how-to video. You know, like one of those how to do it kind of videos you find on YouTube. This is just a story of how I did it. Alright, I'll see you in the next one.